Hi, this is Ryan Schroeder, Ronin General Manager. Another instructional video today. We're going to be covering ascending on the Ronin Lift. So after you've watched your instructional video on rope loading, this is going to be the next step. It's always important to remember we have a nice good static line inside the Ronin Lift, and we have our backup lifeline that's from the Ronin shop, and also our backup ASAP and PPE helmet harness. So first thing we want to do is go ahead and take your carabiner, attach it to the lower attachment point on the Ronin housing, and then it's easiest just to take the slack out of the rope first by just rolling the thumb wheel down. Go ahead and have a seat in your harness. And before we ascend the line, it's always important to get the tensioner set for the weight you're lifting. So with the Ronin Lift, sometimes you may notice that you're slipping on the rope or you're not ascending the line. It just means you don't have enough tension. So for 3,200 serial numbers or below, you're gonna take this red tension knob and you're gonna turn it to the left until it starts to get good and hand tight. For serial numbers 3201 or higher, you're gonna turn the red tensioner knob to the right until it starts to get hand tight. So once we have our tensioner set, what we're gonna do is just roll the thumb wheel down and then send the line. Make sure it's not slipping or having any issues ascending the line. Okay. Important to note that our automatic braking feature is always on, so you don't have to do anything. Once you release the thumb wheel, the brake will always be on for you. And I noticed that we're not slipping on the line or anything like that. If your Ronin is having issues and you feel the slippage or it's not ascending the line at all, just remember for 3,200 serial numbers or below, just give a little bit more tension in that left-hand direction. For 3,201 serial numbers and higher, give a little bit more tension in the right-hand direction until it gets a little bit tighter. And then give one more shot to make sure your tensioner is set correctly and you're not slipping on the line.